Okay, let's talk about multiplying polynomials. So in multiplying polynomials, we're going to apply the distributive property. But in this case, we're going to distribute the terms of our first polynomial to each term of our second polynomial. We're going to perform the distributive property based on the number of terms present in our first polynomial. Okay, so let's have our first example, multiplying these two polynomials. So we have x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. So we have our first polynomial, which is x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. So let's multiply our first term to each term of our second group. So let's multiply x by, so x times 2x, that will give us positive 2x squared. So we perform the loss of exponent. Next, we multiply x to our second term of our second group. So x times 5, that will be positive 5x. Okay, so that's our first product. Next, let's proceed to our second term of our first group, which is negative 4. So we multiply negative 4 and positive 2x. So coefficient times coefficient. So negative 4 times 2, that will give us negative 8. Then copy the variable x. So we have negative 8x. So we will align it with our positive 5x because they have the same terms. So we have negative 8x. We will align it to 5x because they have the same terms. Okay. Next, let's multiply negative 4 by positive 5. So negative 4 times positive 5, that will be negative 20. Now, after we perform the distributive property, we will now proceed to combining like terms. So we simplify our polynomial by combining like terms. Okay, so let's add. We have 2x squared. Since it doesn't have any partner, we will just bring it down. 2x squared. Next, we have positive 5x plus negative 8x. Now, since they have different sign, we copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative, and then subtract 8 minus 5. That will give us 3. Then copy the variable. So we will have negative 3x. Then negative 20 doesn't have any partner, so just bring down negative 20. So their product will be 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.